The book that we're going to read tonight is about, look, there's a tractor. Look, there's a tractor and an empty chicken pen. Where did the chicken go? Can you spot the rabbit? And help the farmer find his hen. There's the bunny. Hudson, we have to find that chicken, okay? Look, there's a puppy. They're searching all around. Can you see the spotted cows? But where can the chicken be found? Look, there's a pony with a big red bow. Can you see a farmhouse? There's the farmhouse. But where did the chicken go? Look, there's the farmer. He's searching far and wide with his tractor. He's driving everywhere. Can you spot his missing chicken? Where did she choose to hide? Are we seeing something? Look, there are some broken eggs. Can you count all 6? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 broken eggs. But what was inside? Oh my goodness, now we found the happy hen with her brand new chicks. That's what's been happening, hey? She became a mommy and the farmer is so happy that he found his hen. You have a good night's sleep. Good night.